Hello, once again, welcome back to this channel. Kachikena takulandirani pa channel iyo imene timapwizana zosiyanasiyana where we teach, guide each other different things according to the problem you have. Kutenga ni vuto mene muli nalo, here we help either technological, physical, mental. Chimene niyo vuto mene muli nalo kaya zokhuza how to do something, ask. Ndifunsoyerere and video iyi yapangidwa itapemphedwa how to make a conference call and what we want is to demonstrate ndichimene tufuna tionese kuti tingapange bwanji conference call. Remember this channel we're going to use these two languages, Chichewa as well as English, so sometimes we'll be using them both or a single language per video. Opena tizigwisa ntchito chankho chimodzi video yonse kapena tiziphatikiza, so don't mind, we'll be doing them all zonse tizipanga pamodzi. So let's start. So you go where there's phone, you open applications, utsekula ma applications ako kenako where there's phones pamene alemba ku phone, not phones but phone or dialer, anyhow where you used to enter someone's number or you want to add up some credits, so where you use where you use that application which you use is where you go. Pamene mmalotsera mayunitsi application imene mudini mnalembera phone kapena kuti dialer, so you press it, then you type the number you want to dial. Ulemba number limene funa muimbe. So for this demonstration we'll use customer care number, so it's 121. This is it. The call has started. So what we want, the aim is to make this call conference. Yeah? What we want is to make this call conference. So what we're going to do is we'll go where there is add call. Tipita pamene alemba kuti add call. Ifa cholinga yathu ifa tipange video iyi ikhale conference. So tidina pa add call. So we press add call. Then we add number. So you can add in another number to or someone else you want to dial, because we're gonna add someone from Wimbledon. So so here we are going to use the same customer care. Let's go back to the call because this is customer care, so it can hang up anyhow. So let's proceed speaking. Okay, so you add call, then you dial the number, and you wait. So the second call has responded also. Call actually yankidwa also, to make it conference you umapita so paja panali add button paja tsopano pabwera multi merge, so you tap where there's merge. So now we have make a conference call. You can see, you can hear zikuveka ziwiri zimene zizondiri pamene potapanga conference call. Apa zikozotheka kuti ni munthu wina ni munthu zimene nenu yankhule ne munthu wina sakuva wina sakuva, apa patapanga conference call. We can add up to meeting address. So there's manage contacts, hold. You can hold this call ndeti wose wapanga hold. Because usankha munthu mmodzi, so you go to manage, usankha munthu mmodzi kuti upange hang up kapena upange swap, how you can. Itasankha munthu mmodzi tiyankhula naye tikamaliza tikuzopanga so upanga conference call. Yeah, muni meeting apangire conference call. Thanks you for watching. Amene mungakhe so tingapange banje tipange banje how to do this tipezeni and mungava pa this description, in this description of this channel, but we have number, WhatsApp number as well as email number. Fusani chimene mufune kuti tilombanga bwanji tithandizane. Yeah, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe as well as like and share the video so that we can produce as well as to make more videos like this. Thank you for watching.